I have new parts for the Miata mirrors. Old mirrors. I have the OEM power mirrors. They've never worked, so I've used them as manual mirrors, just like... I was driving to a buddy's house, and the actual reflective part flew off into my cabin right past my face. Apparently, you can't find new pieces of glass for them, so you would think, oh, this is the right piece of glass. It doesn't quite fit. Apparently, the glass for the power mirrors and the manual mirrors are different. I can't find glass for these. These I'm just going to put in storage. I have these black mirrors. They're actually from Carbon Miata. I don't like them. They look good from the front. In terms of functionality, I mean, they're not good. They are a pain to install because of how tall the body is. They don't come with any gasket, so I had to reuse the old one. That didn't really work, so I made some out of cork. The actual reflective part of the mirror has a blue tint to it, which I didn't know when I ordered it. I think it does say it in the description. I just kind of glazed over that. You can't buy them without it. So looking from your rear view mirror to your side mirrors, your eyes have to adjust differently, and when you're trying to do that quickly, it throws off your eyes. I don't really like it. At night, you can't really see out of them. What I bought is new OEM manual mirrors. They're not actual OEM mirrors, but they are OEM-like. Here they are. Here's the new mirror bodies. So they do not come painted. You can buy them painted, but they were out of stock painted, so I just bought them as the white plastic, or unpainted. So I went to a paint shop and got the paint code, which for the Miata, it's a classic red. The paint code is just SU. That's it. I've painted these so you don't see any white on the inside when we have the mirror on. Oh yeah, and for something like this, they told me I need an adhesive promoter for a plastic like this. So this will go on first, and then after about 5 to 15 minutes, you put the paint on and you do as many coats as you need, usually like 2 to 3, I believe. These took about 3 to 4 to get the nice dark red. And then we have this. This is the actual clear coat. Something a little weird about this, and I don't know if this goes for all clear coat, this is a one-time use. It lasts about 48 hours after you activate it. This is the main body, and then I have part that actually attaches to the bottom. You cut this little tab off after you're done painting, and then the rest of it, I have the mirror, and then you have this inside part, and little cups and ball, and all pivots. It'll be really nice. And they actually gave me new gaskets. These are the happiest frickin' gaskets I've ever seen. Look at that. I'm gonna go paint. Alright, now put it on here. Extremo. See it? Yeah. It becomes all smooth. This stuff is looking so good. You can see when you put the clear coat on, it like makes the paint look all smooth. Oh. We're gonna cut these tabs off. Make a loop. I didn't film installing the mirrors, I forgot. It's much easier than the Carbon Miata mirrors because the body is, you know, about yay tall. And here is some cinematic shots of the new mirrors on the Miata. Ugh, are you shirtless? Are you cold? Well, I have got the solution for you. Introducing some clothes. Here we have, let's see, let's check this out. We have the penal code for unreasonable acceleration. That would be 70.03, unreasonable acceleration. And what do we have on the back? Just a copy and pasted quote from the government. No person shall accelerate any motor vehicle with an unnecessary exhibition of speed. With the word no crossed out. What if you're feeling a little cold and the t-shirt's not gonna cut it well? I have got something for you. Maybe you need to wear something a little more durable than just a t-shirt. Introducing the Propiter hoodie. That's the front. What does the back say? Well, when you're hunched over, working on your friend's car, and all they see is the back of you, what are they gonna read? A nice, reassuring, I'm sure it'll be fine. And there is some clothes for you. It is still a work in progress. These are kind of prototypes, but you can go and buy them. Link in the description. I also have a link in the homepage of the YouTube. I like them. I do actually wear them quite often. This hoodie is great. Like, it's nice and thick. It's soft on the inside. I do recommend giving it a wash before you go and wear it. There's like a little bit of fuzz on the inside. It helps get that out. But it is a very durable, nice hoodie. It's got a good weight to it. I think I did a pretty good job on that. Put that in Photoshop, worked on it for a little bit. It's a really great hoodie. The shirt, it's also really great. I know I drive a Miata. It's not gonna accelerate that unreasonably. I like them. I made them because I like them, and I think you'll like them too. So go check it out, and I will see you in the next one.